It's a known fact that space doesn't make sound because there's no air to carry it, but scientists have found a way to turn the electromagnetic waves and vibrations in space into sounds. In this video, we are exploring some of the scariest sounds captured in space. 1. NGC 2392. NGC 2392 was formed from the remains of a dying star similar to our Sun. Its outer edge is a disk with comet-shaped objects, while the center is a bubble of material blown out by intense stellar winds. Two. The Whirlpool Galaxy M51. The Whirlpool Galaxy M51 is famous for its spiral arms. The sound begins with all light types combined, then shifts to highlight each wavelength separately. 3. Able 370. Able 370 is a massive galaxy cluster, about 4 million light-years away. It's filled with hundreds of galaxies. Its gravity is so strong that it bends light, letting us see galaxies way farther out. Four. Helix Nebula. The Helix Nebula is about 655 light-years away and stretches 3 light-years across. It's formed when a dying star sheds its outer layers, creating this glowing ring in space. Five. Twin Galaxies AM 2026-424. The twin galaxies AM 2026-424 form a pair of colliding galaxies that look like a giant face. The eyes are the bright cores of the galaxies, and the face is outlined by a ring of young blue stars. It's called ARP Major 2026-424 and is about 704 million light-years away. 6. Cosmic Reef. The Cosmic Reef is made up of 2 nebulae, NGC 2014 and NGC 2020, which are located 163,000 light-years away in a nearby galaxy called the Large Magellanic Cloud. Seven. Lensing Galaxy Cluster. The Lensing Galaxy Cluster has a massive gravity that bends light from galaxies way behind it, letting us see things that would normally stay hidden. 8. M16 Eagle Nebula Pillars of Creation. M16, also known as the Eagle Nebula, is home to the towering columns of gas and dust where stars are being born. The pillars stretch up to 4 to 5 light-years, but they're just a small part of the massive Eagle Nebula, which spans 70 by 55 light-years. Nine. Saturn rings. Saturn's rings have a voice thanks to the Cassini probe. Back in 2017, it plunged between Saturn and its rings, collecting electromagnetic wave data that got translated into sound. R Aquarii. R Aquarii is a wild star system with a white dwarf and a red giant orbiting each other. The brightness of its stars controls the volume, and the farther the object, the higher the pitch. Perseus. In the Perseus galaxy cluster, sound waves were originally too low for humans to hear, but in this sonification, those waves are stretched up by 57 and 58 octaves, making them trillions of times higher than their original frequency. The Whirlpool Galaxy. The Whirlpool Galaxy, M51, is easily recognized by its spiral arms, making it look like a cosmic whirlpool. The Crab Nebula. The Crab Nebula is the aftermath of a supernova explosion from 1054 AD. It's powered by a neutron star spinning rapidly at the center, pushing jets of matter and antimatter out from its poles while winds blow outward from its equator. Ganymede, Jupiter moon. The Galileo spacecraft is the first to orbit Jupiter, and it made a groundbreaking discovery. Ganymede, one of Jupiter's moons, has its own magnetosphere. This means that it has a region of charged particles surrounding it, something that had only been found around planets before. Did you enjoy the journey through these eerie sounds? Let us know in the comment section below.